Were you a good girl at the vet the other day? I mean, were you screaming and carrying on, or what? You know, when they had to take your blood 4 times during the day. How many times did they feed you? Oh, you're such a pretty kitty. You're such a pretty old girl. Yes, you are. Her name is Velcro. Spunky, spicy Velcro. You're a pretty girl, Velcro. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You think you could wake up a little more if I said kitty cookie? You want a kitty cookie? Yeah, you want it right now? You want it right now? Hello? Velcro? You want a kitty cookie right now? Has the cat got your tongue?
July sales event. Get no monthly payments for 90 days on all 2024 Dodge brand vehicles. Go to Dodge.com
You're a pretty girl.
and hurry to your local Dodge dealer today.
Yes, you are. Yes, you're a pretty girl. Yes, you are.
As our neighbors age, we lighten their burdens. As our veterans adjust, we ease their transitions. In every part of